Its concept stemmed from the residents' desire to reference traditional houses with colonial roofs, but without losing a contemporary feel. Located in Jardim Botânico, 20 minutes from Brasília, Brazil, Casa Papillon features a large four-sided roof that guides its entire layout. The use of materials such as brick and wooden boards on the ceiling also evokes colonial architecture. On the other hand, the metal structure and glass enclosures bring a contemporary touch to the house. Horizontal slatted brises facilitate the transition between the entrance garden and the indoor environment. If the roof is the protagonist, the supporting character would be the vertical expansion of the living space. These two spaces establish the dialogue between the intimate and social sectors of the house. The axis of the intimate area is distributed along the left side of the lot. The corridor leading to the bedrooms facing the pool is protected by a vertical garden that functions as a muxarabi, shielding the interior without obstructing the view from outside. The void, resulting from the positioning of the intimate block, extends the social and leisure space, creating a large plaza that reaches back to the mezzanine to welcome visitors, while also providing a private view for daily enjoyment. The inclination of the roof, covered with shingle tiles, allowed for the creation of a TV room on the second floor, which is connected to the social living room through the mezzanine. The residence not only meets the needs and desires of the residents, but also integrates respectfully and elegantly into its context, becoming an example of architecture that dialogues with both history and the present.